You never know until you try, though, right?
Don't hold the sides. That would be a bad idea.
I agree.
I don't think this girl's any help at all. I think she's all bad influence.
I might be.
Dana, you are all bad influence. That's what I'm going with.
Maybe.
What do I gotta do?
Sword is important.
Where's my cigarette?
You don't need a cigarette if that's in your mouth. Hold the bottom. Just the bottom. No, just the bottom.
It's gonna, that's gonna just explode.
This is awesome.
No, because they explode out to the side if anything goes wrong.
Amy.
Not the bottom.
Amy. If she explodes in my hand.
You gotta hold the bottom, not the sides.
Hey, guess what I'm called for medical beneficiary?
Who?
This girl.
Oh.
This girl right here. Go ahead and light it.
Don't hold the side.
Well, then she knows what she's in for.
Don't hold the side.
Hold the bottom.
She said don't. Hold the bottom, don't hold the side.
For real.
Fuck you.
Don't hold the sides, hold the bottom.
You know how bad that sounds? Like, don't stick it in her ass.
If anything were
It might bite.